Hello everyone, welcome to Vidatri. So, ఈ రోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్యాన్సీ శారీస్ చూసేద్దాం. వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ అండ్ పేస్టల్ కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Vidatri special sarees and we never compromise in the quality. Such a beautiful sarees today. I hope you love all the collections and I'll be showing around 20 sarees in this live session. So one by one each and every saree kuda chuseda. This is one of the beautiful color saree, light green color. This is with the kundan work. Such a beautiful light pastel green, very beautiful fancy saree. If you love this saree, please to take the screenshot and send it to our team. They will definitely assist you. So we'll see the first one. This is one of the beautiful color saree only. Such a light color, light rose pink shade with full of stoneworks. చాలా మంచి గ్రాండ్ లుక్ సారీ అండి. మనకి ఈవినింగ్ పార్టీస్కి కానీ రిసెప్షన్స్కి కానీ చాలా బాగా సెట్ అయ్యే శారీస్. సచ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ గ్రాండ్ లుక్ వస్తుంది మనకి. యూ కెన్ సీ ద సారీ హౌ దిస్ పళ్ళు కూడా చాలా గ్రాండ్ లుక్ వస్తుంది మనకి. సో ఫర్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ద బ్లౌజ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ అండి విత్ రిచ్ లుక్. మొత్తం కూడా స్టోన్ వర్క్తో బ్యాక్ నెక్ డిజైన్ వచ్చింది. ఐ హోప్ యూ లవ్ దిస్ అండ్ దిస్ సారీ ఈస్ ప్రైస్డ్ ఎట్ 14,499. So today the sarees are everything like below 20,000. I hope you love all the sarees. These are the trendy collections of Vidatri, the special collections. Manchi fancy sarees. This is ice blue color. Such a beautiful color combination. You can see the pearl bead works and the light blue color pearl beads to work ustundi. You can see the design. How pretty is this? Such a beautiful and gorgeous saree. I hope you love this color. And this is the pallu. Manaku pallu kuda ante grand ga ustundi. Such a beautiful work and fancy. And for this we have got the blouse. So this is a rich looking blouse only, which is the same running color. If you want, you can try the contrast colors as well. And this saree is priced at 19,000. So we'll see the next one. Very pretty sarees today. Such a beautiful fancy sarees. This is lavender color, light lavender with full of stonework. So you can see the saree. How pretty it is with full of stonework. White color stones is complete. It's running all over, which is like a embroidery work also. Such a beautiful and grand looking saree. This is the pallu. Pallu is also very gorgeous. And for this we have got the same running blouse. So this is how the blouse looks on the monkey. Back neck design kuda vastundi. So we no need to stitch any other extra work. Anta chala beautiful ga undi. Hope you love this color. Such a beautiful. Manam same color kani contrast color to kani pair up chesukochu. And this saree is priced at 13,299. We'll move on to the next one. This is one more light color. మొత్తం కూడా కుందన్ వర్క్స్ వస్తుందండి. కుందన్ వర్క్ అండ్ స్టోన్ వర్క్. సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ప్రిటీ అండ్ లవ్లీ, విచ్ ఇస్ అ వైట్ కలర్ స్టోన్స్, పీచ్ కలర్. ద మెటీరియల్ is also very soft అండి. You can see the combination. This is the pallu, very beautiful. And we have also got the running blouse. So here's the blouse combination. This is how it looks, simple and classy. And this price is so for the saree price you can just contact to our team only. They will assist you with the price. Few sarees don't have the tag, so sorry for that. You can just screenshot and message it to our team. This is one more beautiful color, dark navy blue with red color designed at the border. Saree looks simple and classy ostunandi, but the border has the red color buttons and the red color embroidery patchwork. Such a beautiful design. This is the pallu. Pallu is also elegant. And for this we have got the kundan's blouse. Such a beautiful design, simple and elegant. And this saree is priced at 9,999. We'll move on to the next one. Such a beautiful sarees and the colors are very pretty. This is one more grand looking saree. This is a little bit heavy because it's like full of work. So this will be the perfect fit for any of the trendy occasions. Receptions, sangeet, pagas, such a beautiful sarees only. This is like stone work saree, so it's like a little bit heavy. You can just observe that. So if you love this saree, please to take the screenshot and message to our team. They will definitely assist you. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also very grand look only. You can see the design, how pretty. And for this we have got the running blouse as well. So here's the blouse. So blouse mitten kuda manaki same style of work vastundi, so it's kind of bit heavy and very gorgeous. And this saree is priced at 16,899, which is really worth it. I mean, full heavy work saree color, so 16,899 is worth it. You can just message to our team for that. This is one more color. This is light candy grey color. Such a beautiful saree, and you can see it's like with full of stone work and the embroidery work collection, and borders kuda manaki pearl bead borders vastuni, pearl bead work. And here's the pallu. Pallu has also very rich grand look, same embroidery work and stone work. Me detailing chala clear ga observe cheyandi. It's like very beautiful and classy. And for this we have got a rich looking blouse only. See the detailing, mottam kuda pearl beads tho vastuni. Such a rich looking blouse, and this saree is priced at 27,699. And this is one more color, such a beautiful color. So this also suits for all the occasions and manchi trendy occasions and evening wears. This is mustard yellow, dark color. ఇది కూడా మొత్తం వైట్ కలర్ స్టోన్ వర్క్ వస్తుందండి, విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్ వర్క్. సో మీకు అంత హెవీ అనిపించేది శారీ కూడా. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లవ్ దిస్ శారీ, ప్లీజ్ టు టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ మెసేజ్ టు అవర్ టీమ్. దే విల్ అసిస్ట్ యూ. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్పెషల్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ Pitatri అండి. Beautiful work sarees. This is the blouse. So blouse is also very gorgeous. So here's how the blouse looks, simple and elegant with work again. Manam kavalante contrast blouses kuda try cheyochu. And this saree is priced at 12,999. We'll move on to the next one. This is grey point color, which is very light color saree only. Indaka manam ice blue chusam kada starting lo. So the same one but different color. The style and pattern and work mottam kuda same untundi. You can take the screenshot if you love this collection. This is the pallu, and for this we have got a blouse. So this is the blouse only, manki hands ki design vastundi. So this is how it goes. Such a beautiful saree, and this saree is priced at 19,790. Very pretty collections. This is also one of the beautiful saree only. Mottam kuda golden stone work tho vachin saree. You can see this is like very grand looking. Mottam kuda stone work tho chala glittery ga super ga undi. We can just stand out in any functions and the beautiful saree. And this is light pastel green color. This is the pallu. Pallu is also same as the body of the saree only. Mottam saree mottam kuda manaki heavy design vastundi, and even the blouse has the same work. So this is how it goes. We can even try the contrast colors as well. And this saree is priced at 12,999. We'll move on to the next one. This is white color, such a beautiful color only. This suits for brides during the reception times or sangeet. Such a beautiful and trendy collection, and the color as well. Saree mottam kuda manki golden color embroidery work vastundi. Even the pattern is very pretty. And this is the pallu, and for this we have got a blouse. So blouse is also same color with cut and borders, and this saree is priced at 12,999. Fancy collection of sarees only. I hope you are loving the light section because fancy sarees are everyone's favorite. This is one more beautiful color. This is peach color. And this has the cut and borders, manchi stone work vastuni. You can see both the sides. So both the side has rich work pattern, which is with the stone and embroidery work. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful. And for this we have got the blouse. So this is the blouse, which is very rich and elegant. So manki hands ki kuda design vastundandi, we can just stitch it accordingly. And this saree is priced at 15,999. So this is also very worth it and the stone work and the heavy weight kani look kuda chala baagundi. And this is one more color, light grey color. Such a light color combination, very light color. And this is full of white color stone and embroidery work. Manki chala rich look istundi and it gives you a classy look as well. So you can see how beautiful the saree is. You can just screenshot this and you can send it to our team. They will assist you with few more colors. This is the pallu. And we have got a blouse. So this is the blouse only. Blouse kuda chala trendy ga vachindi. So this is like stone come embroidery work pattern. Manam hands ki kuda sleeves pettukochu. It looks very elegant. And this saree is priced at 15,999. And we'll move on to the next one. This is one more light color combination. It's a kind of pastel, light pastel yellow. So ee saree kuda meer chudochu manchi golden color stones to embroidery work pattern vastindi. It's like full of stone embroidery work. This is very lightweight saree only. We can carry it for a longer time. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also classy. And for this we have got the same running blouse. Almost any sarees ki kuda manaki same running blouse vastindi. That's the style of fancy sarees, full work fancy sarees only. This is the back neck design, so it's rich. And the price is 13,499. These are the special collection of Hitachi only, very beautiful, and even the quality is very perfect. This is red color, dark red, with beautiful borders running on either side, which is the embroidery work pattern and little cut-in borders. Very beautiful and classy. And this is the pallu. So red color will be like fancy, and you can see the blouse. So I'll show you the blouse. Here's the blouse combination only. Blouse kuda chala chakkaga vachindi, so we can just pair it up like this. Very beautiful and trendy. And this saree is priced at 12,899. You can see the next one. This is organza variety. Organza variety lo light net pattern saree, such a beautiful one, and you can even see the work pattern, very beautiful. And white color stone work vastindi. The full saree is completely designed and very pretty. This is the pallu, very beautiful and elegant. And for this we have got the same blouse only. Blouse texture different. You can observe that this is not like a net material. This is a kind of different material. And this saree is priced at 17,199. This is one more color. So this also comes under the pastel, light blue color. And this is with full of stone work only. You can see in the video itself like how grand it is. Very rich looking saree with full of stone and embroidery work all over. This is the pallu. So pallu is also rich with complete work design. And for this we have got the blouse only. So blouse is also very beautiful and pretty, the same work pattern. Danaki almost same color usuli. If you want, we can even try the contrast colors. So this saree is priced at 14,399. So you can order on this number only. Please do take the screenshot. We're also shipping these sarees worldwide. Such a beautiful and fabulous saree collection today. This is one more light. You can see the saree materials are like crepe material. Such a glowy material and it's soft ga kuda untundi the saree, and it's with full of white color stone work. You can see the saree is like shining and it's beautiful only with heavy work. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also very gorgeous. And this is the blouse. So blouse kuda manaki same color with full of stone work vachindi saree tho. If you want, we can try other color blouses as well. And this saree is priced at 15,490. So the prices are also affordable, Andy, which is at the best offer price. We got a special collection. You can see the work, like how rich it is. So it's a kind of affordable and elegant. So this is one more beautiful color, golden color. Navy blue mirror looking for a golden color stonework vasthundi. So this is how it looks. If you want, we can pair it up with a white color blouse as well. This is the pallu, rich looking blouse. Rich looking pallu vasthundi, and we have also got a rich looking blouse. So this is how the blouse pattern looks andi. Manki back neck ki kuda beautiful design vachindi, and hands ki kuda manki design vachindi. We can pair it up like this. And this saree is priced at 12,999. And this is the last one for today. We are winding up with a beautiful color saree. ఇందాక మనం లావెండర్ చూసాం కదా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వైట్ కలర్, such a beautiful fancy color. This suits for all the trendy occasions, for sangeet and all. And the borders are also colorful, running on both the sides. This is the pallu. Pallu is also continuing with the same design, and for this we have got a blouse. So the blouse is like a georgette material, and this is how the blouse looks. Very different. And this saree is priced at 17,199. So చూసారు కదా, the beautiful fancy saree collections of Pitachhi, very pure and elegant. మనకి సటిల్ కలర్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ వాచ్ ద లైవ్ అవ్వగా నేను లైవ్ సేవ్ చేస్తాను. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ గో బ్యాక్ అండ్ వాచ్ ద లైవ్ అగైన్ సచ్ దట్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ శారీ. అండ్ మీ ఫేవరెట్ శారీని మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు మెసేజ్ చేయండి. So this is the orders number. Please to take the screenshot, and you can message on this WhatsApp number, and we will revert back to you. And we are also shipping the sarees worldwide. Your favorite saree at your doorstep is our specialty. And you can even visit our store, which is Vitachhi Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 5 p.m. every day. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, bye-bye.